Nkechi, Nkechi, I'm working something. Meeting. I'm going to a meeting. Na meeting. When I come back here, Mlota here. When I come back here, make sure that food needed ready. Make sure that all the food are ready. Okay? So your mama go. Nkechi, you just lay my nyana mpuranya ubwa. Nkechi, you are looking at me right in the eye. So me and you have now become age mates. That look at your nonsense eyes. This thing flashlight. You're shining that nonsense in my eye. Are you mad? I am not your age mate. Don't you ever in this your rubbish life look at me in the same eye. Just eye me. If I catch you eyeing me any day, that is it for you. Send diary to obituary. I will send you to your early grave. Don't ever you look at me in the eye. When did it start? Make sure you make that food ready. I will remove those your eyes. So don't look at me when I'm talking to you. Don't look at me like that. Itra